Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to liquid stake your Celestia token in MilkyWay. So there are a lot of speculation that this might be the next G2 of Solana under the Celestia ecosystem. So for you to participate, I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to stake your Celestia token on MilkyWay to get Milktia, and it is very simple. It's a easy step for you to position yourself for some massive MilkyWay airdrop. You need to use MilkyWay to position yourself for airdrop and to boost your own chain footprint in Celestia. And also for you staking your Celestia token, you are going to get Milktia. It's either you hold the Milktia or you can provide Milktia as a liquidity on Osmosis, which is also going to triple your airdrop allocation if they are going to use criteria for that. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about it and how to position yourself for some MilkyWay airdrop using Celestia. And for you to start, what you need to do is to get a Kepler extension wallet, because as we're trying on making this video, you cannot use the mobile Kepler wallet to perform tasks on MilkyWay, so you need to have the extension. So for those of you that don't have PC, you can use Mrs. browser in performing these tasks. So what you need to do is to either create a Kepler wallet or you import your seed phrase. If you already have Kepler wallet, import the seed phrase on the extension and you are good to go. So what you need to do is to copy your Celestia address and take it to any centralized exchange. Then you can send your preferred amount of Celestia token you want to use in staking on MilkyWay. So what you need to do after funding your Kepler wallet, you can also use Leap wallet if you want, but I prefer using Kepler wallet. Then after funding it, what you need to do is to visit this site app.milkyway.zone. Then you click on connect. So you can select any wallet of your choice. So I'm using Kepler, so I'm going to click on Kepler. Now what you need to do is to just approve it. So like I said earlier, if you don't have a laptop or a computer to run the extension, you can use Mrs. browser on your mobile phone to get the Kepler extension or the Leap extension to run this. So after connecting your wallet, what you need to do now is to bring it here and stake the preferred amount of Celestia token you want. So the higher the better, but I'm going to just take one to just show you guys how to go about it. So make sure to stake at least maybe 5 above, depending on your level, depending on what you can afford to put down the preferred amount that you want. So after that, you click on stake. You're going to see requests, blah blah blah. Then your Kepler wallet is going to open. Just make sure to click on approve. They are going to charge you a little amount, so please make sure you don't stake everything. So just click on approve. Now sending funds, sending one tie to Osmosis, blah 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 blah. So now you wait for it to process. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, sent and liquid stake funds. So you can see on the screen, so you can add if you want. So I think I'm just going to make this a total of 1 Celestia. So just make it a total of 1 Celestia 0.1. I'm going to deposit 1 again and click on stake. So I just want to make it 1 Celestia. Then I'm going to click on approve. 0.1, so that everything is going to be 1 Celestia. I'm going to wait for it to process. So if you want to stake, just make sure to put down maybe 1.1 Celestia above, so that at least it will be, you are staking 1 Celestia above. So it is good you have a like 1 Celestia above, so that they might use it as a criteria for you to get some potential reward. So I don't know what they are going to use for criteria for you to get this airdrop, but we just hope it is from 1 Celestia above. So you can see sent and liquid stake. So looking on the screen guys, I staked 1 Celestia. So now for you to X3 your portfolio, is either you hold the Milktia token till further notice, or you provide Milktia token liquidity on Osmosis to extreme your chance of getting a MilkyWay airdrop. So for those of you interested in this, I'm going to show you how to go about it. But if you're not interested, you can just stop here, then it is okay. So at any time you can withdraw it. You click on withdraw, then you request the amount that you want to withdraw. You can come here and claim your reward as well. So for you staking it, you're going to be getting some percentage of Celestia token. So I'm not going to withdraw yet. I'm going to put it in use to show you guys how to go about the next step. So you need to visit osmosis.zone. Now you click on launch app. Then it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to click on connect wallet. So connect it to your Kepler wallet or your Leap wallet. I need to connect it to Kepler wallet since I'm using Kepler to perform this. Now click on approve. Alright guys, looking on the screen, I just connected it to Kepler wallet. Now what you need to do is to click on assets. After clicking on assets, you can bring it here and click on TIA. So you can see TIA. You can bring it down. You're going to see TIA. So you click on deposit. Then your wallet is going to open like this. You just need to click on approve. Right, so now what you need to do is to select the amount that you want to use. So you can see that I have like 0.2 Celestia token. So I'm just going to use 0.1. So make sure to use like 1 Celestia token above. So that's why I said for you to start this, you need funds like 5 Celestia to maybe 10 Celestia. But you can use any Celestia of your choice. You can use like 1 above is still okay, because as of the time of making this video, I don't know the criteria for the MilkyWay airdrop. So I click on deposit I, then your wallet is going to open. What you need to do is just click on approve. The transaction broadcasting, let's wait for it to process. All right, you can see that the transaction was successful. All right guys, so after that, what you need to do is to click on pull. Right, click on pool. It's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to click on this search pool and type milk. So you're going to see Milktia/Thai, and you click here. Alright guys, so after clicking here, what you need to do is to click on create a position. So manual is okay. Then you click next. After that, you bring it down. So just click on marks here. Okay, so this is what you're going to deposit. Then click on add liquidity, and your Kepler wallet is going to open. So I think you need a little amount of Osmosis to perform this transaction. So if you click on approve, you're going to see that the transaction failed because of insufficient amount of Osmosis. So for you to get Osmosis, what you need to do is to go to any centralized exchange to buy some amount of Osmosis and send it to your Kepler wallet. Or if you don't have in any centralized exchange, you can go and convert some of your Celestia token, injective token, any token you have under the Cosmos ecosystem to Osmosis using IBC fund. So you can see IBC fund. What you need to do is to visit the site ibcfund.ibc.fund. Then you click on connect wallet. You select your Kepler wallet. They have already connected my Kepler wallet. So you, for the first time, you're going to see approve. So now what you need to do is to bring it here and you search for Celestia or any token that you have under Kepler wallet. You click on Celestia. You're going to see the vibration of Celestia here. Then you bring it down here and you search for Osmosis. Okay, so those of you that have Celestia and want to convert, then I'm going to see Osmosis. And if I want to convert, let me say I have a total 0.1. Let me use like 0.08 to see 0.08. Let me reduce it to 0.0. 0.05 to see. You just want to get a little amount of gas fee. You're going to see something like this. You click on connect wallet, select Kepler wallet again. Alright, click on approve. Now you preview route and you submit. Make sure to take a look at what they are going to charge you, all those things before proceeding, the amount of osmosis you are going to get, and the rest before proceeding. Then you click on approve. Hey guys, so looking on the screen, you can see that the swap was successful. Now if you take it to your Clep wallet, all right, so if you bring it here, you bring it here, you're going to see I have gotten Osmosis token. So in case you can use ibc.funds, you can use Clep wallet in swapping some Celestia token to Osmosis by clicking on this swap sign. So if you click on this swap sign, you're going to see atom blah blah blah. You can select Celestia token. Okay, you click on Celestia. Then you're going to select Osmosis here. You just select Osmosis here. Then you put down the amount of Celestia token that you want to swap. 0.1 for example. 0.1 for example. You're going to get this amount in Osmosis. Then you click on next. So this is how to use the inbuilt swap on Clep wallet. So you using ibc.fund, you're also positioning yourself for some potential ibc.fund reward if there's going to be a reward. So now guys, you just go back to the pool. After going back to the pool, so before you start, you can just do it, not to waste your time, and click on create a pool manual, then click on next. You can click here to paste everything. Okay, they are going to give you this based on the amount of that you deposited on Osmosis, that is 0.1, which is also good. So the main thing is to just interact, but the higher the Celestia token you use, the higher your chance of gaining massively. But for now, I don't know the criteria for you to get the airdrop, but it is possible that MilkyWays are going to launch a utility token, and that is for sure. So for the airdrop part, they might give out airdrop for those of you that participated in the ecosystem activities using Celestia to get Milky and the rest. So now what you need to do is to just click on add liquidity. So now what you need to do is to just click on approve. Alright guys, so transaction broadcasting. So let's wait for it to process. Looking on the screen, you can see that the transaction was successful. We just interacted with Milktia/TIE on Osmosis. This is very important. So you click here, transaction in range. So if you bring it down, you can see you can remove liquidity if you want. You can increase liquidity if you want. So doing this is also boosting your interaction for the MilkyWay airdrop, which is very possible. So I think the higher the funds, the higher the chance of you getting the airdrop. But please make sure to do the one that you can afford to do. Don't stress yourself. Do the one that you can afford to do. Just make sure to interact. And like I said, for you to withdraw from MilkyWay, and come here and you click withdraw, and you can click on request, put down the amount that you want. Alright, put down the amount, everything. You can click on request. Then the bonus you are going to get for staking this, you can click on claim. You can bring it down here and see now I don't have any reward. Just click on claim, then you can claim it at any time you want, but I'm going to leave it until I see that I am eligible for this reward. So guys, I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friends in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.